Now that our enemies can chase the player, it's time to teach them how to fight back. In this episode, we'll give them a proper attack, complete with animation, range detection, and damage to the player. Let's dive in. Now it's time to bring our enemy to life with proper attack animations. We have 3 animations, one for attacking up, one for down, and one for the side. Let's hook them up inside the animator and set the transitions based on direction. In the Animator Parameters tab, add a new parameter is attacking of type Boolean. Let's make our enemy switch from movement to the correct attack animation based on direction. From the movement, blend tree, right-click, make transition, attack up, select the transition arrow, uncheck, has exit time and add conditions. Is attacking equal to true and Y input greater than 0.5. Repeat for attack down and attack side. Now we need to return to our movement. Blend tree once the attack animation is finished. For each attack state, attack up, attack down, attack side. Right-click, make transition, back to blend tree. Select the arrow, has exit time, checked. Now that we've set up our attack animations based on direction, it's time to write the logic behind them. We're going to create a new script called enemy attack that will detect when the player is close enough to attack, play the appropriate animation, and later, deal damage. Inside the update method, we're checking if the player is within our defined attack range. If they are, and our cooldown is ready, we calculate the direction to the player and set the animator's X input and Y input so we can play the right directional animation. Then we trigger the attack parameter and reset the cooldown timer so the enemy doesn't spam attacks every frame. Now let's hit the play button. As soon as our player steps into the enemy's attack range, the AI will stop moving and trigger the appropriate attack animation, striking the player based on their position. Just like that, our enemy is now fully capable of detecting, stopping, and attacking in real time. In the next episode, we'll add a health and damage system to our player, making every enemy hit count. If you're enjoying this series and want to keep leveling up with me, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next.